Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Kokum pork. In Konkan it is called Saulantale Dukrache mas. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have with me 4 green chilies which I have slit, 6 red dry chilies, 2 Kashmiri, 4 button chilies, 16 pieces of peppercorns, 12 pieces of cloves, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon jeera cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi powder, 6 medium size onions which I have sliced fine, 8 pieces of kokum, sola, 1 kg pork with bone I have cut into small pieces. Salt as per your taste and water is required. Now we'll add all the ingredients into a pan. Salt as per your taste and water is required. Mix well. Now we'll cover it and cook it for 30 minutes till the pork is nice and tender on a medium flame. Our pork is ready. Now let's plate it up. Our Kokum pork is ready. Saulantale Dukrache mas ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.